As someone who owns and operates a standalone retail destination, for example, Fresco's Hypermart, or a world-class retail destination such as a mall, a hotel, or an airport, you will be used to serving customers from all over the world. Most of these customers will choose to pay for their goods using their locally issued debit or credit card. When they complete the transaction, their bank at home, also called the issuing bank, makes some revenue out of this international transaction. Travelex offers you, the retailer or the retail destination, a new payment solution that will allow you to benefit from that transaction instead of the issuing bank. Our easy-to-build solution will bring a brand new revenue stream to your business. It will also offer a seamless experience from the customer's end, who will now have a competitive currency exchange service at their fingertips. Travelex's team of experts have built a platform with API connectivity that sits over and consolidates your retailer's existing point-of-sale systems. When activated, it allows customers to pay in their chosen currency. Now, let's see how a typical foreign transaction works today. Choosing United Arab Emirates as an example. Here's Adam. Adam is an American citizen enjoying his holiday in Dubai. He stops for breakfast at a cafe near his hotel. It costs 55 dirhams. Adam chooses to pay with his American credit card. The transaction amount of 55 dirhams travels through the network to his own bank in the USA. Adam's own bank recognizes that the transaction was made in Dubai and converts the currency from 55 dirhams to 15 US dollars. This amount is calculated by applying the actual exchange rate and an exchange rate margin set by his own bank. These can be up to 5% or even more in some cases. The American bank debits Adam's account $15.75. And $15 converted back into dirhams is sent back to the cafe owner. So now let's see how your business with our integrated technology connecting to your partners or your own individual retail systems could generate revenue from this everyday transaction. If we take a couple of steps back and imagine that the API has been built and integrated, all your retailers will now have an additional revenue stream by capturing the exchange rate margin at the point of sale, as opposed to passing this revenue back to the customer's issuing bank. This happens as a result of introducing dynamic currency conversion, a process whereby the amount of a credit card transaction is converted to the currency of the payment card's country of issue. To see how this works, let's review Adam's scenario, rerun with the Travelex currency conversion capability installed on your partner's or your own individual point-of-sale systems. This time, he sees the option to pay in his local currency on the point-of-sale screen. However, behind the scenes, information about the transaction has been sent to Travelex instead of the issuing bank. Travelex recognized Adam's card as an American credit card. In the background, the transaction amount and the new exchange margin were reviewed and sent back by Travelex to the retailer's point-of-sale device. When Adam accepts, the transaction amount plus exchange margin is debited from Adam's account. Then the cafe owner receives a share of that exchange margin amount. The entire process was the same for Adam, with no extra cost to him. But now the cafe has benefited from this transaction. In addition, had Adam wanted to use an alternative payment method such as Apple Pay, PayPal, Amazon Pay, or Google Pay, this could have been accepted through Travelex's own payment portal. Through your API, Travelex can give you the ability to consolidate transaction data from all the retailers within your destination, providing you with a single data source that gives you unprecedented insight into customers' spending patterns as they move through the retailers within your footprint. All this data is saved in our platform's secure cloud database and is fed back to you in an organized format through your very own portal. This allows you to keep track of any currency conversion profits and the customer demographics. As a retailer or a retail destination, you have multiple outlets or perhaps a range of retailers operating within your footprint. For the first time ever, you are now able to connect all of your retailers together through your API, ensuring you have a consistent currency conversion offer. Rest assured, you are in the hands of the experts. We are retailers ourselves in many of the top airports and retail outlets around the world and trusted white-labeled technology partners to more than 1,000 financial institutions and banks in over 70 countries. We are proud to be the world's foreign currency exchange experts. Embrace payment innovation and grow your business. Integrate today.